On Apple iPhones, there's a feature called Always On Display. This means when you lock your phone, the lock screen shows the time, wallpaper, and sometimes notifications. This feature isn't available on every Apple iPhone, it's on the iPhone 17 series and some older models too. If you don't want notifications showing up on your Always On display, you can turn them off. In this video, we'll show you how to do that. To start, open Settings. Scroll down, and you'll see an option for display brightness. Tap on it. When you scroll down, you'll find Always On Display. Click on that. Sometimes, Always On Display might be turned off, so you'll need to enable it first. Once it's enabled, under Customize, you'll see Show Notifications. If it's turned on, just switch it off. After that, notifications won't appear on your Always On Display. That's how you can easily disable notifications on your Apple iPhone's Always On Display. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.